This video is going to help guide you through mail merge activity 2, the letter. So remember, my instructions are a little bit outdated compared to the current version of Word that we have, but for the most part, you should be able to follow along. So I have my blank document already opened, and we're going to go to Mailings. And we're going to come and first select our recipients. And so this is going to be from the spreadsheet that you already made titled birthday guests. We're going to say use an existing list. And you saved this in your server folder, so you will have to go find it. If you get this pop-up, you're going to go ahead and say yes. And then we have to enter in the range for our information. And so we have our information from A1 and then the colon, which is the 2 dots, to F20. So you'll just type that in the cell range and say OK. And then now we're ready to do under Start our mail merge. And we just want to make sure, okay, it already says letters. So we're good to go. Then you will have to type in the information that's on page 3. So we'll do a little bit of this together. So the current date, so November 11th, 2020. Then we're going to enter down 4 times. And now we're going to go and insert some of our fields. So first we need our address block. So on Insert Merge field, so we're going to do first name, and then we want our last name, so all on the same line. Then enter, and we're going to insert our address, and then enter again. We're going to insert our city, state, and zip code. Then we're going to enter down 2 times. And now we're going to say hello. And then this is our greeting line, or that's what they have it in the instructions. So we're going to have hello, and then we're just going to do first name. And then enter down 2 times. Then you will type in the paragraph of information there. So we'll stop there. Okay, then we have just a few more formatting things to do. So I'm going to do a Control A and highlight all of my text. I want my font size to be 12, font type to be Times New Roman, and then your spacing should be good already as single spacing. Next, what we're going to do, I'm going to go back to Mailings, and now we need to finish and do our merge. So we're just going to say that we want to print our documents. Oh, no, not print. I want to save this. So we are going to do edit, individual documents. It pops up this. So now you should see that it entered in our information. Just like so. And I have all of my 20 guests here that were in my guest list. So this is going to be what you want to save. And so we're going to save it as mail merge activity 2. Make sure that you do this in your server folder. And then this is what you will submit to me on Schoology.